Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix notifications not working problem on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to fix the notifications not working problem on your iPhone, just make sure that you have not enabled any focus mode or do not disturb mode on your iPhone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the upper right corner on the display to open the control center. Now from here, if you have enabled any focus mode or do not disturb mode on your iPhone, just disable it, just like that. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just make sure that you have not enabled silent mode. Now to do that, just check this switch on the left side of your iPhone. Now if this switch is facing down, just turn off this switch to turn off silent mode, just like that. Now as you can see, our smartphone is on silent mode. Now if I turn off this switch, the silent mode will turn off. Now once you have done that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on notifications. Now from here, you can change the notifications preview, just like that. You can select list, stack or count. Now from here, scroll down and tap on show previews. Now from here, if it is on never, just select always, or you can select when unlocked. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, just select the app which you are not getting notifications from, just like that. Now from here, make sure you enable allow notifications. Now from here, scroll down and tap on show previews. Now from here, make sure you select always or when unlocked. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on general. Now from here, scroll down and tap on background app refresh. Now from here, tap on background app refresh. Now if it is on off, just select Wi-Fi or select Wi-Fi and cellular data. But remember, if you select Wi-Fi and cellular data, the app will consume your mobile data in the background. So I recommend you select Wi-Fi. Now from here, once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just press and hold the power button and the volume button at the same time. Now from here, just slide from the left to the right to turn off your iPhone. Now once you turn off your iPhone, just wait for 5 to 6 seconds, then press and hold on your power button to turn on your iPhone. Just like that. Now it will take a few seconds for your iPhone to turn on. Now it will take a few seconds for your iPhone to turn on. Now from here, just open your iPhone. Now if the problem is still not fixed, just reset all the settings on your iPhone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on general. Now from here, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here, tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. Now from here, just enter your screen lock. Now from here, tap on reset all settings. Now from here, tap on reset all settings one more time. Now once you have done that, your iPhone will reboot in a few seconds and it will reset the settings. Now by doing this on your iPhone, your data will not be erased. Just all the settings on your iPhone will be reset. When your iPhone finishes rebooting, just enter your Wi-Fi password again. And this is how you can fix the notifications not working problem on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.